request Principal, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. Mallikarjuna Rao, to present his graduates. I request Pro Vice Chancellor, Quality and Assurance, Dr. P. L.N.G. Rao, and Registrar, Dr. Narayan Sabahit, to do the honors.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. Firstly, the graduates of Bachelor of Pharmacy, Shamika Jaishwal and Mrinalini R. And now the graduates of Master of Pharmacy, Sakpal, Sahil, Sunil, Sonali, and Himani Jaishwal. Devika and Sapa Naveen Kumar. RJA Vaibhavari and Annie Lazu. Nabarun Mukhopadhyaya and Prasad Shettigar. Sai Priya, Ganesh Shettigar and Hardik Bhatia. Ganesh Prakash, NS and Geeta Naik. Narki Ajankaya, Himmat Rao and Agwani Rutija Ramesh. Gayam Prasanna Kumar Reddy and Karthik Kapoor. Balerao Pradya Ramesh and Vemireddy Mahesh Reddy. Arun Josan and Kosarazu Sneha. Goli Vinita and Irenia Shanmugam. And at the end, Kasapu Vanisha. Congratulations, graduates. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Dean, Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal, Dr. Kirti Lata M. Pai, to present the graduates. I request us to continue.
Very good evening to all of you. I am pleased to present the following postgraduates of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal. Dr. Deepika Ratna M., MDS in Oral Pathology and Microbiology, and Dr. Abhirup Chatterjee, MDS in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. Dr. Tankasala Sriharsha, MDS in Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics, and Dr. Divya Goyal, MDS Pedodontics and Preventive Dentistry. Dr. Pragna P. Nayak, MDS in Pedodontics and Preventive Dentistry, and Dr. Kriti Arora, MDS Periodontology. Dr. Divya Raj, MDS in Periodontology, and Dr. Namrata Nayak, MDS in Periodontology. Dr. Subia Huda, MDS Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge, and Dr. N. Bose Babu, MDS Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge. Dr. Shilpa Prabhu S., MDS Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge, Dr. Ankita Srivastava, MDS Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge. Now I present the BDS graduates, Dr. Raj Gupta and Dr. N.A. Kritika Shastri. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sirs. You may please be seated. I invite Principal Vaksha, Chef K. Tirugnana Sandamadam to present the graduates. I request Pro Vice Chancellor, Faculty of Health Sciences, Dr. Purnima Baliga, and Director, Student Affairs, Dr. Geeta Maya, to award the degrees.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration. To begin with, Bachelor of Hotel Management, Jostin Disa Akshay Patil. Mihir Ranjan Barga, Sapna Yogesh Prabhu. Manish Kumar and Nikita Bundela. Sandhya Nimeni and Joswell Lewis. Vikas Sudhir Kini Mulki and Manish Hital Malakki. Jay Kumar Hanj and Shetty Rohan Jagannath. Dipali Divakar Shetty and Pinto Herschel Ronald. Prithvi Kumar and Jivil Alwa. Niham Aman Ninad and Piyush Kumar Singh. Abhishek Verma and Thomas Haibin. Godson Thomas and Vasu Vatsa Wabil. Now, Bachelor of Arts in Culinary Arts, Slok Vijay Gadyonkar and Vinayaka A. Shinde. Ishika Nandan and Ashdin Kushnud Vikaji. Abhishek Mohandas Hejmadi and Rahul Dadich. Amartya Mukund and Nevang Dechen. Uday Prabhu and Fagun Malik. S. Kiran and Shika Bharadwaj. Lun Wen Li Pomai Nanguram. MSc Dietetics in Applied Nutrition, Vadali Sai Satya and Daita Suchi Smita. Shirley Majumdar Karturi Harika Devi. Swedel Vinya Karkada and Pratima. Shilpa Gupta and Huraya Farooq Badi Uddin. Macklin Jean D'Souza and Jashmita Chauhan. Mehta Madhura Rajan Anita and Ananya S. Sharvashri and Gangwal Akshita Dinesh Sarita. Sonita Ahuja Bhavin Hiral and Gajol Nikita Srinivas Geeta. Gudella Hiranmaye Pooja Shri S. Anchan. Dandekar Revati Dilip Vaishali and Usaina Vadgarwala. K. Laltal Kime and Smrida Saha. Anshaba Alam and Saujanya Dikshit S. Charishmita Mukherjee and Aisha Mohammad Farid. Goitha Gauri Shivaji Rajashri and Laksha Monica Paul Motru. Aisha Tul Zahima Abdul Karim. Postgraduate Diploma in Culinary Arts, Saurav Sudhir Osakiri and Pavitra R. Shetty. Shreya Salyan and Shraddhabin P. Parmar. Anshit Srivastava and Shivangi Jala. Yash Verma and Anu M. Sunil. Aman Kotari and Chakshi Sachdev. Akshay Gaonkar and Mohit Chaudhary. MSc in Hospitality and Tourism Management, Bachawat Tanvi Rajesh. Last, BSc in Hospitality and Catering Studies, Karanveer Singh Chawla and Shremoyi Chakrabarti. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Dean Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore, Dr. Dilip G. Nayak to present the graduates. I request Dr. Purnima Baliga and Dr. Geeta Maya to continue.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following postgraduates of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Mangalore. MDS Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Dr. Ashwini Banu Das Desai and Dr. Shivangi Vats. Dr. Neeta Govardhan Shanay, MDS Oral Maxillofacial Surgery, Dr. Souvik Sarkar. Dr. Subhakta Chakraborty, MDS Pedodontics and Preventive Dentistry, Dr. Joseph Ilana Jeremiah. Dr. Soumya Sridhar, MDS Orthodontics and Dental Facial Orthopedics, Dr. Ram Priya S. MDS Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge, Dr. Gautami Pal. MDS Oral Medicine and Radiology, Dr. Mandovi Nath. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I invite the Dean, Manipal College of Nursing, Manipal, Dr. Anis George to present the graduates. I request Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabahit and Registrar Evaluation Dr. Vinod V. Thomas to do the honors.
Good evening to everyone. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Nursing, Manipal. Ms. Frinsel Manisha Lobo and Ms. Christina Sarah Abraham. Ms. Delvia Martina Disa and Ms. Shalin Matthew. Ms. Lolisha Pindo and Ms. Bhavya S. Salian. Ms. Funsok Dolma and Ms. Eva Jennifer Martis. Ms. Ashral Ann De Silva and Mr. Migmar Lama. Ms. Rachel Smita Dimello and Ms. Sneha Rani Chako. Ms. Cheryl Tingle D'Souza and Ms. Diana Carol Meneses. Ms. Tenzin Kandro and Ms. Bhavya Sri. Ms. Janita D'Souza and Ms. Cheryl D'Souza. Mr. Sunil D'Souza and Ms. Minal Sonia Quadras. Ms. Neha H. and Ms. Melissa Machado. Ms. Shiji Philip and Ms. Shweta. Ms. Sering Wagmo and Namrata US. Ms. Tenzin Youngsel and Ms. Tenzin Namyal. Ms. Christina John and Ms. Dolkar Lamo. Ms. Jigme Chodan and Mr. Reston Kota. Ms. Rachel Rashmi Martis and Ms. Sajina. Ms. Shyamala and Mr. Roshan Abraham. Ms. Renita Simran and Ms. Manisha Maria Kunnacheri. Ms. Aleida Shibu and Ms. Ribi Susan Roy. Ms. Amala James and Ms. Anupriya Matthew. Ms. Nima Lamo and Ms. Johanna Barnett Dikuna. Ms. Lakshmi TP and Mr. Hemendra Singh Jadon. Ms. Sonam Chodan Lepcha and Ms. H. Divisha. Ms. Rolanda Norona and Mr. Sevang Rigson. Post Basic BSc Nursing, Ms. Tenzin Yangdon and Ms. Tenzin Woser. MSc Nursing, Ms. Shalini, Ms. Tanusri Pradhan. Ms. Roshni D'Souza and Ms. Pooja Bakshi. Ms. Manisha Samanda and Ms. Jagridi Niyogi. Ms. Hema Shankar and Ms. Soumya Naik. Master of Philosophy in Nursing, Ms. Jasna T and Ms. Purnima Kundu. Ms. N. Jyoti and Ms. Veena Kumari. Ms. Preena Maria Koda and Ms. Kottari Durga Pavani. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Director, Manipal Institute of Communication, Dr. Padmarani, to present our graduates. I request sirs to continue.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal Institute of Communication, MA Media and Communication, Niranjana Ravindran, Bhima V. Prathan. Meghna Kar, Aarti Kumar. Akhilesha Ghosh, Chaitra Sampath. Regesh Riya Ravindra Manisha, Suman Manoj. Rai Suchi Bachan Amita, Ferreira Skyla Janice. Aditya Ranjan Karthik TR. Adarsh Ram Siddhi Prashant Vashimkar. Akhila V. Kamath Suraj Menon T. Gayatri Sunil Javesh Juneja. Harshvardhan R. BA Media and Communication, Sharad Menon, Rajshri Ganguly. Madhavi Chaudhary Vasi Reddy N. Amulya. Shushma Shetty. Ronit Chaudhary Nikita Alex. Panikar Akshara Anil Faisal Hadis Khan. Uzma Imran Nair Shibu Mohandas. Anuj M. Suvarna Vaishnavi HV. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now invite Manipal School of Information Sciences, Dr. Ramashesha CS, to present his graduates. I request Dr. Vinod Thomas to be seated. I request Registrar Dr. Narayan Sabai to continue.
I am pleased to present the following postgraduates of Manipal School of Information Sciences. ME Computing Technologies and Virtualization, Gulshir ul Islam. Preeti SR. ME Automotive Embedded Systems, Himanshu Benagi. MSc Information Science, Ujjwal H. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I invite the Dean, Manipal College of Health Professions, Dr. Arun Maya, to present his graduates. I request Pro Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Balal, and Pro Vice Chancellor, Faculty Health Sciences, Dr. Purnima Baliga, to confer the degrees.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Health Profession, Super Speciality Program, MPhil Clinical Psychology, Naomi Savio D'Souza and Bhavana Kumaraswamy. Swati J. Bhatt and Bhavana S. Ambika Burman and Indu R. MSc Clinical Psychology, Rajapreeti R and Apeksha Reddy, Trivedi. Rajita N and Vaidika Goyal. Muskan Jain and Nayak Lajya Dayanand Madhuri. Sneha Tyagarajan and Satyan Krishna Meluvel Sujata. Rashmi Rekha Samal and Kasturi Talani. Mithira and Deshmukh Oshin Anup Dipali. Arya Mohan and Shauri Radhika Sanjeev Asha. Sagarika Shrikant and Sharon Mary D. Lima. Sharon D'Souza and Neeti Narendran. Arya A. and G. Harsharaj. Roshin Raj and Krupa Rajan Poten. Teresa Rose Anthony and Ayushi Agarwal. Nandini S. and S. Ham Shil V.S. Niharika Halemane and Rajashri Ganesh Bhatt. Megha K. and Anju Susan Philip. Raksha A.R. and C.A. Ashita Sri Lakshmi. Sherin Swan and Anaga K. Grishma R. and Chandana K. and Dikshita. MSc Cardiovascular Technology, Joshi Shaurabh Alagaswamy and Deepa Narona. MSc Health Informatics, Dr. Naveen Kumar P. and Merin T. Saju. MSc Medical Imaging Technology, Gabriel and Atira Anil Kumar. Sharath S. and Kevin Nail. Chandana R. and Atira Rajiv. Chandrasekhar Priyanka and Rukia Ramzan Shaila. MSc Medical Laboratory Technology, Aishwarya M. and Ashwini K. Chaitra and Shaibana KK. Rashmi and Deepa K. Kamath. MSc Medical Radiation Physics, Matthew Epan and Shobin Jacob. Thames Thomas and Aguila Mariam Jill. Dona Shaji and Nimisha Jais from MSc Nuclear Medicine Technology. Master of Occupation Therapy, Paurvi Kedia and Vishnu Prakash S. Aishwarya Baby and Kamath Shreya Shrikar. Aishwarya Sadanand and Rao Mansi Setu Madhava. Master of Optometry, Gada J. I.A. Ahmad and Anush Nayak. Ashwin D.L. and M. Ravali. Priyanka M. and Chandrika R. Bonkuri Subhashini and Prabal Kumar from Master of Physiotherapy. Thank you, sir and madam. Now I invite, yes, UGs. Thank you, sir and madam. And now I invite Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, Vice Chancellor, and Dr. Narayan Sabahit, Registrar, Mahe, to present the awards to the graduate students. Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, Ganavi and Sunidhi Shivanand Bhatt. BSc Cardiovascular Technology, Ashwita and Ruhi. Noof Sulaiman, Yusuf Al Kasuri and Vignesh Nayak. Azam Mohammad Bashir Mohammad Al Badi and Shri Raksha. Jisnul Sahim and Swati. Ananya P. Raj and M. Swati Pujari. Sabha Muhammad and Anushri Kotian. Shanam BM and Manasa M. Nayak. K. Pratiksha Prabhu and Sankara Sai Saukya. Josna Joseph and Chinju Mariam Monsi. Dantya AP and Fatima Helena Nazir from BSc Health Information Administration. BSc Medical Imaging Technology, Avinash and Gladwin Gabriel I. Karthik Raman P. Nayak and Hasaf Tungekar. Ola Abdul Latif Ibrahim Al Balushi and Amir Ibrahim Juma Al Balushi. KV Vaishak and Hariprasad T. Nambiar. Shubham Chiteri and Irshad CP. Ashrita M. Kubal and Fayaz P. Shaili Brigitte Mendonça and Muhammad Basil K. Nina Job and Bessie Jacob. Sushma BR and Aisha Mahanaz Muhammad. Silpa Thampi and Suman S. Pratiksha S. and Aisat Shabnan. Naurin S. and Steffi Samuel from BSc Medical Laboratory Technology. BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, Rakshita and Nikita Shetty. Divyashri and Hamdan Sheikh. Muhammad Sheraj K and Akshata. Farsana K and Rutika. Fatima, Zohara and Deepika. Manjushri and Shilpa B. Afrin and Akshata P. Prajwal PJ and Nawal Nisha. Shraddha Pujari and Sridevi. Sana Baidar Baig and Asif D from BSc Medical Radiotherapy Technology. Amna Abdullah Juma Al Ajmi and Dibya M. Joy from BSc Medical Radiotherapy Technology. Fawaz, BSc Medical Radiotherapy Technology, and Shawan Ishar from Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. Kanishka Brijesh Bhargava and Kirtana Jinand Chandran from Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. Purnima S. and Serin Anna Biju. Pooja Munivenkata Swami and Josna Joseph. Merlin Kurikois and Jessia Anna Matthew. Vidya Mariam Ninan and Louis Sunni. Nikita Hebbar and Taura Alicia Ashley. Susmira Monsi and Shetty Tansha Sujit. Dinu Mary Jose of Bachelor of Occupation Therapy and Juliet Luska from Bachelor of Optometry. Sushmita Prabhu and Sushmita MS, Bachelor of Optometry. Sharat S. Seregar and Jyotishri KP. Dhanush S. Karkera and Stylin Joylin. Shaina Teresa Baby and Ashwita H. Gamsa. Arpita and Elizabeth Olive Akanksha M. Harshita Bangera and Nishmita Shetty. Alida Joy and Divya Kurikos. Jesna Jacob and Abia Mariam George from BSc Perfusion Technology. Mohammad Safar H and Grishma G Krishnan, BSc Perfusion Technology. Anusuya Krishnan and Krishna Pani T. Nada Fatima RK and Anita Elizabeth. Chetan Nayak and Sneha George. Abdul Mazid KT and Sijil from BSc Renal Replacement Therapy and Dialysis Technology. Akhil Kurian and Rima from BSc Renal Replacement Therapy and Dialysis Technology. Jenny Anna Jacob and Shahana Kausar M. Blebi Claire George and Salma Muthania. Atulya Johnson and Aksa Shibu. Afsa Anjum and Sushmita Surendran. Sheila S and Anu Johnny. Manjesh U Nayak and Ranjita. Raksha Kamath and Hegde Swastika. Nirosha and Arjun A. Anthony. Pawan Kumar and Alan Anthony. Gaurav Gurjar H and Rogin P. Cherian. Elda Kuryachan and Samradha S. Prabhu. Deepthi SK and Ummi Salma. Kotyan Anjali Arvind and Alfonsa Matthew. Jia Jacob and Romika Sawant, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, and Fatima Sayed.
I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal Institute of Management, Master of Business Administration, General, Ashok Kumar M, Surya R, Pradvi GR, Srivassa S, Harita S, Megashri Samant, Aditya Nagarajan, Healthcare Management, MBA, Lakshmi SS, JM Grishma Shanti Madhura Shetty, Aishwarya S. Dr. Shivani Ajay Pandey. Murtodi Arun Sudin Raj. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
I now invite Director Manipal School of Life Sciences, Dr. K. Satyamurthy, to present his graduates. I request us to continue.
Good evening, and I'm pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal School of Life Sciences, Manipal. Bachelors in Biotechnology, Nishta Singh and Nisarga Padmasali. Russell Lorenzo Castillo, Humaira Fatim Shah. Grishma G. Kanaya Bhattacharya. Talita Karen Kurian, Saurav Patagi. Shahina Mazumdar, Tanaz M. Khan. Prithvi V. Shenoy, Smita Nayak. Srinidhi A. Shetty, Mrudula. Soumyabrata Banik, Shetty Roshni Raghu. Ashika Wenzel Levi D'Souza. Kritika Rai, Divya S. Kulala. Akshata Nayak, Gautami H. Gudi Shreya Ravi, Akhil K.A. Vaishnavi K. Ashwin Dev J. Archika Gupta, Niksha. Akash Rajgopal, Neha Acharya. Masters in Medical Biotechnology, Shravya Hegde, Dibyani Nayak. Korea Jacinta Michelle Florin, Abu Fawaz. Masters in Molecular Biology and Human Genetics, Lavanya P. Acharya, Manish K.S. Sumona Basu, Kirtana Sridhar. Postgraduate Diploma in Cellular and Molecular Diagnostics, Atulya Ayappan, S. Muhammad Bilal. Hemant C. Nayak, Sri Lakshmi M.S. Chetana H.P. Congratulations and wish you all the very best. Thank you, sir.
Kailash M. Shruti M. Aihole. Satyaprakash Das Ramnath Nayak. Meghashri A. Ashwini Ashwath, Rajkumar Bethlehem Hashmita, Shanik A. Iqbal PM, Joycey KJ Ramraju G, from Masters of Architecture, Urban Design and Development, Asha A. Shanbag, Shantala G. Naik. Dipanjali Sriram, Sheikh Shireen Siraj. From Masters of Art, Interior Design, Rao Nikita Raghuram. From Masters of Arts, Fashion Management, Sahana S. Kundar. From Bachelors of Architecture, Sunil V. Patel, Terence Morris. Saloni Natkarni, Aparna Mahesh. Zion Philomen Anthony, Nikita and Shenoy. Sharat K, Kundanika Tripuramulu. Vachani Darshit, Subhashish Kakoti. Sakshi Mathur, Viraj Anil Rane. Viraj. Prabhangshu Shekhar Chankoka. Bachelors of Science, FT Contour, Nicole Fernandez. Bachelors of Design, Interior Design, Monica Shri, Prerna Radhakrishna. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I request Director Prasanna School of Public Health, Dr. Helmut Brand, to represent the graduates. I request us to continue.
I'm pleased to present the following graduates of Prasanna School of Public Health. Master of Public Health, Dr. Raihana Abdul Jabbar and Dr. Zaba Mohammed Zubai. Shiran Yevi A. Master of Social Work, Aditi Goswami and Nidhi Ponama. Vandana Rachu Rao and Sneha Srikumar. Niyati Patni and Manasa V. Sneha Zaranath and Punita BP. Master of Hospital Administration, Vaisak PA and Nikhil Jacob. Dr. Midul Lal and Nahima Akhtar. Saravanan D.A.A. and Dr. Zonga Isaac. Bimal Ram and Dr. Kakinada Kirti. Kishore Kumar and Geetika Zabiti. Manikanta N and Dr. Reka N.T. Dr. Anita Pradeep and Shruti Srinivasan. Dr. Dikshita Pudi and Shilpa Johnson. Dr. Ankita Zarkar. Master of Science in Biostatistics, Divya and Mokashi Shruti. Medhini and P.B. Deshama. Srinidhi S.M. and Aditya Shankar. Pallavi and Shushmita K. Prabhu. Prival Shreya and Kavya Nair. Priyanka Sever and Shweta N. Joseph Francis and Ziva Priya G.J. Nimisha N. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best.
I would like to invite Dr. Arun Maya, Dean, Manipal College of Health Professions, to propose the vote of thanks.
I conclude my vote of thanks with Swami Vivekananda quote on education. We want that education by which the character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet, unquote. I wish each and every graduate a very successful and bright future. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. A story has no beginning or end. Arbitrarily, one chooses that moment of experience from which to look back or from which to look ahead. It is now time to draw the curtains of 27th Convocation 2019. I request Pro-Chancellor Mahe Dr. H.S. Ballal to declare 27th Convocation 2019 close.
I, Dr. H.S. Ballal, Pro-Chancellor, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, hereby declare 27th Convocation of our university closed.
Thank you, sir.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಸೂರಜ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸೂರಜ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ?
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಂದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ.
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಣ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಬರ್ದಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ,
ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮಾತು ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್.
ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, B.Tech ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಪನೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ MIT ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾ, ತಮ್ಮ
ಬ್ರದರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಒಂದೆರಡು ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ ನನಗೂ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಹೌದು.
ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಮಗನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು BH ಜಕ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಸೂರಜ್ ತಾಯಿ. ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಗುರಿ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ BE ಮುಗಿಸಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು M.Tech ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ M.Tech ಮುಗಿದ್ರೆ PhD ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗೋದು ಅವನು ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಛಲ ಇದೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ 18 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
Hi, and what's your name?
I'm Gabriella.
Okay, great. And what's your talk about 27th convocation? What about this?
Oh, I am from the 2013 batch. And joined on August 1st, and since then I was looking forward to this day, and finally the day came. So I'm so excited, and I'm so proud that I'm a KMC product. I had a lot of patient exposure. The faculty was amazing. The teaching experience was overall the best, and
Your message for upcoming students?
Don't think twice. Best college ever. Yeah, the teaching facilities, the information they give out there, the effort they put into teaching you is beyond appreciated. It's actually underappreciated. They have a lot of classes, patient exposure, small group teachings, and they take clinics very, very important. And so far, like the best college to go.
Hi. Your good name, sir?
My name is Arjun.
Okay. Say some few words of 27th convocation.
Yeah, it was a great event. It started a little early, but I think all students, wait for this day because after 3 or 4 years of college, this is something to look forward to, and finally they get a degree. So I think it went well.
Okay. I think you are very happy now.
Yeah, I am happy, of course, because it's been 3 years and finally I get a degree. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
What your parents are saying now?
Well, I think they're happy that I graduated first of all, and now I'm working again. So finally with this degree, hopefully I can build on this and maybe study something in the future. Okay. Yeah.
All the very best. All the very best. Thank you. Urdare.
ಅಂದು ಸರ್.
Yes, and ಇರಬುದರೆ
ಸೃಜನ್ ಬಂದು.
Okay. And ಒಂಜಿ ರಟ್ಟ ಪಾತಿರಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂದಪ್ಪನಗ 27th convocation ಇರ್ದಾದ ಮಲ್ದರಿ ಇರಕ್ ದಯ ಕೊರಿಯಿರಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್
MSc ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸರ್ ಈಗ.
ಬಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಟುಲ್ಲರಿ
ಅಂದು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂಜಿ ರಟ್ಟ ಪಾತಿರಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನೀರು
ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಬಂದೇ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುನ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಬೇತೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುನ ಅದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಪನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಠಿಣ ಕಾಸುಗ ಐತೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಅನ್ಸ ಐತೆ ಕಲ್ತಾ ಇನ್ನ ಬಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಸೊ ಅನ್ಸ
ಸೊ ಕೂಡ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಪನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ
ಇಜ್ಜು ಸರ್
ದೇನೆ ಪಂಡರಿತ್ತೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಅಂಚೆ ಇಂಚ ಅಂದ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಪುಲ್ಲದೆ
ಇಜ್ಜು ಸರ್ MSc ಅನ್ನು ಸೊ ಇದು ಜಾಬ್ ಆತ ಅನ್ಸ ಫೋನ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸ ನನ್ನ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ದಾಲ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಜ್ಜು
ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ನು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನಾಗಲೇ ದಾದ ಪನ್ಪಾರ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಸೆ ಉಂಟು ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ಡೆ ಕಲ್ಪೋಡು ಪನ್ಪಿನ ಅಕಲೆ ದಾದ ಪನ್ಪಾರ
ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಕಲ್ಪರ ಆಸೆತ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಪೂರ ಮಣಿಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಲೆ ಏನಿಗೆ ಪನ ನಿಗಲಿ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ಡಬಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಗಲಿಗೆ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪನ ನಿಗಲಿತ ಐತೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಇತ್ತಿತ್ತಂಡ ಸೊ ಪರ್ ಇಯರ್ 2 lakhs or 4 lakhs ಅಂಚ ನಿಗಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾಂಡಲ್ಲ ನಿಗಲಿಗೆ ದುರ್ದೈವಶದ ಅಂಚದ ಅದಂಡಲ್ಲ ಆಂಡಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲದಾಗಲಿ ವರಿ ಮಲ್ಪುಡು ಬಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ದನೇ ಫೀಸ್ ಪೂರ ಪೇ ಆಪುನ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ದ ಪೂರ ಸೊ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಪನ್ರಾಗ ಪನ್ಪ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್
ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು
ಸಿಂಧು BR
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಮೇಡಮ್
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು
ಓಕೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ
ಓಕೆ ಇದು 27th ಕಾನ್ವೊಕೇಶನ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ದು ನಾನು M.Tech ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ತುಂಬ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜಿಂಗು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ 2 ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಟಾಪರ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್.
Namaste, sir.
Hello.
Okay, great. And say your good name.
I'm Shreyas Kulkarni.
Okay. Where are you from?
Pune.
Oh, great. And a few words about this function and 27th convocation. And I can understand you are very happy today. Okay.
Of course. So it was one of the best experience in my life.
Okay.
Today, as I received my degree in the 27th convocation at MIT Manipal, one of the most glorious and one of the most eminent institutes in India. I am very delightful and very lucky to be here, and I have been blessed by great parents, great teachers. Due to their blessings, their hard work and their support, I am here wherever I am today. So it gives me an immense pleasure and a beautiful consciousness of having a great degree, and I am looking forward to have a great career future in computer science.
ಹಾಯ್ ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಾನ್ವೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
Program, it's well arranged and it's pretty good. And it's we are happy to.
ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
Yeah.
ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
And being graduated.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖುಷಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ನೋವು ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿನೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಡಾಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಡಾಲಿ.
ಎಸ್.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸಿವ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.